Hello everyone, Tech Aid TV here. In for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the waste ink pad for this Epson EcoTank L121 printer and resolved this waste ink leaking problem. Waste ink leaking problem eventually encounter when your waste ink pad is full. So to resolve the waste ink leaking issue, all we have to do is to replace new waste ink pad. We have the product link down on the description of these video. So now let's start to replace the waste ink pad for this Epson EcoTank L121 printer. Step 1. Using a Phillips screwdriver, we have to remove or unscrew the waste ink pad tank. And then after, we can now remove the waste ink tank. And then, to unlock the waste ink tank, all you need to do is to slide the tank going to the right side. And then after, we can now pull the waste ink tank to remove. And then after, we were going to remove the waste ink pad and put it on our waste container. Then wash the waste ink tank using a tap water. And then after, we may now insert the new waste ink pad. And then after, reattach or install the waste ink pad into the printer. And then after that, secure the waste ink pad screw. And that's how simple it is to replace new waste pad and resolve the waste leaking issue for this Epson EcoTank L121 printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.